Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to chicken wings, history, recipes and flavor tips. Few foods bring people together like chicken wings. They're the perfect balance of flavor, texture and fun. Whether you're hosting a game night, enjoying a backyard barbecue, or just craving something satisfying, wings are always a go-to. Their versatility means they can be sweet, spicy, smoky, or anything in between, making them a crowd pleaser for any occasion. No matter how you like them served, one thing's for sure, chicken wings never go out of style. History of chicken wings. Chicken wings haven't always been the cultural icon they are today. Once overlooked, they've grown into a staple food that's both beloved and versatile. But where did it all begin? Let's look at the origins of this crispy, saucy favorite and how it evolved into a global sensation. The birth of buffalo wings. It all started in the 1960s at a small family-owned restaurant called the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York. On one famous night in 1964, co-owner Teresa Bellissimo whipped up what we now know as buffalo wings. The story goes that her son and his friends wanted a late-night snack, but instead of serving a typical meal, Teresa decided to fry up leftover chicken wings, a cut of meat most people considered scrap-worthy at the time. She tossed the wings in hot sauce and served them with celery sticks and blue cheese dressing, creating a plate of bold, flavorful bites. It was an instant hit. Customers quickly fell in love with the spicy and tangy flavor combination, and word spread fast. What was once a kitchen experiment turned into a signature dish that put Buffalo, New York, on the map. Buffalo wings became synonymous with game nights, casual dining and celebrations. From bar food to culinary phenomenon. What started in a small-town bar soon became a national obsession. By the 1970s and 1980s, buffalo wings began appearing on menus far beyond upstate New York, thanks in part to the growing popularity of sports bars. After all, they're the perfect pairing for beer and sporting events. Wings were cheap, easy to prepare, and small enough to share, making them ideal for group environments. But wings didn't stop there. This humble snack has transformed into a global phenomenon, with restaurants and chefs constantly reinventing them. Today, you'll find wings inspired by various cuisines. Korean fried wings coated in a sweet and spicy glaze. Indian-style wings seasoned with tikka masala spices. Caribbean jerk wings offering a smoky, spicy kick. Even fast food chains have embraced and adapted chicken wings, adding their spin with a variety of unique sauces and rubs. What makes chicken wings so special? Their adaptability. Whether you like them mild or packed with heat, grilled or breaded, there's a version of wings for everyone. And while buffalo wings paved the way, countless recipes now celebrate regional flavors and traditions. Today, chicken wings feel just as at home on a fine dining menu as they do at backyard barbecues. This once humble snack is now part of pop culture, showing up everywhere from Super Bowl parties to food festivals. What other dish can claim that kind of range? Types of chicken wings. Chicken wings come in many forms, and understanding their differences helps you appreciate what makes them so irresistible. From wing structure to cooking methods to sauces, every detail transforms their flavor and texture. Let's explore the most popular types and approaches to making wings. Bone-in versus boneless wings. One of the biggest debates among wing lovers is whether bone-in or boneless wings reign supreme. Bone-in wings. These are the classic choice, consisting of the drumette or flat, complete with the bone. Bone-in wings typically have a richer flavor, as the bone helps lock in moisture while cooking. The crispy skin and tender, juicy meat inside make every bite an experience. They also feel like the authentic option, giving you a tactile, hands-on eating experience most fans crave. Boneless wings. Technically, boneless wings aren't wings at all. They're usually boneless chicken breast or thigh meat coated in breading and fried. The appeal? They're fork-friendly and a bit less messy compared to bone-in options. Texture-wise, boneless wings are often softer, with more emphasis on the crispy coating than the meat itself. While some purists dismiss boneless wings, their ease and versatility make them wildly popular. So, which is better? It's all about personal preference. Bone-in wings deliver an authentic, savory crunch, while boneless wings cater to convenience and approachability. Cooking styles: fried, baked, grilled. The way chicken wings are cooked defines their flavor and texture. Here are the 3 most common methods. Fried wings. Deep-fried wings are the standard, known for their golden, crispy exterior. Frying locks in the juices, keeping the meat flavorful. It's the go-to choice for achieving that iconic crunch we all love. Most restaurants rely on frying because it's quick and delivers consistent results. Baked wings. For a slightly healthier option, baked wings skip the oil and are roasted in the oven. While they're less crispy than fried wings, baking can still deliver a golden finish if they're cooked on a rack for better air circulation. Baked wings tend to be lighter and let the sauce flavors shine through more prominently. Grilled wings. Grilling gives wings a smoky, charred flavor that stands out from frying or baking. This method often feels more outdoorsy and is perfect for summer barbecues or tailgates. Grilled wings are slightly leaner and pick up subtle flavor notes from flames or wood chips. Each method has its unique charm. Fried wings bring indulgence, baked wings highlight the seasoning, and grilled wings add depth to the flavor. Popular flavors and sauces. No discussion of chicken wings is complete without diving into the flavors and sauces that make them shine. Wings are essentially a blank canvas, and the toppings transform them into something unforgettable. Some of the most loved flavors include buffalo. The iconic classic, known for its bold, tangy heat. Made with a mix of hot sauce and butter, buffalo sauce is simple but addictive. Pair them with celery sticks and blue cheese dressing for the full experience. Barbecue. Sweet and smoky, barbecue wings are a fan favorite. Whether it's a molasses-rich Kansas City style or a tangy vinegar-based variant, barbecue sauce delivers a satisfying, sticky bite. Honey garlic. Perfect for those who prefer sweetness over spice, honey garlic wings combine the rich sweetness of honey with the savory kick of fresh garlic. They're equal parts comforting and flavorful. Teriyaki. Inspired by Japanese cuisine, teriyaki wings are glazed with a balance of soy sauce, sugar, and ginger. They offer a salty-sweet combination that's hard to resist. Of course, dipping sauces play a crucial supporting role. Ranch dressing is a crowd pleaser, with its creamy, tangy taste cooling down spicier flavors. Blue cheese dressing, on the other hand, adds an extra layer of sharpness and works beautifully with buffalo wings. Whether you're a sauce dipper or a sauce pourer, these accompaniments take wings to the next level. Chicken wings thrive on variety, and trying new combinations is part of the fun. From fiery to sweet to tangy, there's a sauce or rub for every craving. How to make perfect chicken wings at home. Making chicken wings at home might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think, and the results are totally worth it. Whether you're whipping them up for game night or just a casual dinner, all you need is the right technique, ingredients, and a little patience. Let's break down everything you need to create crispy, juicy, and flavorful wings that could rival your favorite restaurants. Choosing the right ingredients. The secret to great chicken wings starts with selecting high-quality ingredients. Here's what to look for. Chicken wings. Look for fresh, not frozen, wings if possible. Fresh wings tend to be juicier and are easier to work with. You'll also want to decide if you prefer whole wings, which include the drumette, flat, and tip, or pre-cut drumettes and flats. Pre-cut wings can save time, but whole wings are sometimes more cost-effective. Sauces and marinades. Stock your pantry with key flavor boosters like hot sauce, soy sauce, honey, garlic, and spices. For classic buffalo wings, you'll need a good quality hot sauce and butter. If you're going for barbecue or teriyaki, grab ingredients like brown sugar, ginger, or barbecue sauce. Fresh ingredients like garlic cloves, ginger, or even citrus zest can elevate your marinades with bold flavors. Pro tip: always go for balance. A good marinade or sauce will have some combination of salt, fat, acid, and sweetness to create depth in every bite. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Perfect wings aren't about following a single recipe, it's about mastering the method. Whether you're frying, baking, or grilling, nailing the process makes all the difference. Here are the basic steps for each method. Fried wings. Prep the wings. Pat your wings dry with paper towels. This removes excess moisture and helps achieve crispiness. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, or your favorite spices. Heat the oil. Preheat your deep fryer or a large pot of oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The high temperature ensures crispy skin without overcooking the meat. Fry. Gently place wings in the oil and fry them in small batches for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on their size. Don't overcrowd the pot, as this lowers oil temperature and results in soggy wings. Drain and toss. Once golden and crispy, let them rest on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Then toss with your favorite sauce while they're still hot. Baked wings. Prepare the wings. Dry the wings thoroughly and toss them in a little baking powder, not baking soda, mixed with salt and any seasonings you like. Baking powder is the trick to creating crispy skin in the oven. Arrange on a rack. Place the wings on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows air to circulate and prevents soggy bottoms. Cook. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes, flipping halfway through. If you want extra crispiness, broil them for the final 3 to 5 minutes. Sauce them up. Toss the baked wings in sauce after they come out of the oven to keep the crisp texture. Grilled wings. Season and marinate. Marinate your wings for at least 30 minutes to infuse them with flavor. A simple mix of olive oil, garlic, soy sauce, and lemon juice works wonders. Prepare the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil the grates to prevent sticking. Cook. Grill the wings for about 20 minutes, flipping every 5 minutes to ensure even cooking. They should have a nice char and reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Add sauce. Brush on the sauce during the last 5 minutes of grilling to create a sticky glaze without burning it. Pro tips for flavor and texture. Want wings that'll have everyone asking for your recipe? These tips will take your homemade chicken wings to the next level. Double fry for extra crispy skin. For unbeatable crunch, fry the wings at a lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for the first cook. Let them rest and cool, then fry again at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to crisp up the skin. Dry your wings thoroughly. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, whether you're frying or baking. Pat them dry with paper towels before seasoning or cooking. Marinate overnight. If you have the time, marinate your wings overnight in the fridge. This locks in flavor and creates juicier, more tender meat. Just don't add salt until right before cooking, as it can draw out too much moisture. Toss with sauce at the right time. Always toss your wings in sauce after cooking. Adding sauce too early can make them soggy, especially if you're baking or frying. Experiment with rubs and glazes. Get creative with dry rubs, like smoked paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne for a Cajun kick, or let your wings shine with sticky glazes like honey mustard or gochujang. Every great wing is a balance of crunch, flavor, and juiciness. Armed with these tips and methods, you've got everything you need to make restaurant-quality chicken wings right at home. Your friends and family won't be able to get enough. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.